Cryptos are just penny stocks on steroids. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. The price starts out low, almost laughably low. You can buy how many with only $10? Sign me up. The price jumps wildly, up 500% today, down 30% today, up 800% today, down 90% today. Like a roller coaster. What does it do? What's its purpose? Beats me, but people keep talking about it, so I'm in. Am I talking about penny stock or a cryptocurrency? You wouldn't know because these things happen to both. At least we know many penny stocks are pump and dumps. At least we have believers who, well, believe that their favorite crypto is something more than a speculation. There it goes, up 200% today. Nice. But people who buy and sell penny stocks are waking up to find themselves in the age of Reddit and social media, where a trending crypto can lift them out of poverty. Oh look, a nice meme, I'm gonna drain my bank account and buy that. I heard this one guy made $1 million from it. Damn, down 60% today. What a scam. Before, when speculating on penny stocks, you'd have to go to forums and seep through the BS and find a hot penny stock all the forums are raving about. And with it being thinly traded, that's enough to send the stock skyrocketing or crashing. Oh nice, back up 150% today. But cryptos are penny stocks on steroids, millions of speculators rushing to the new forums, subreddits, making sure there's a loose coordinated effort to all buy that hot crypto. You're not a serious crypto unless 60% of your staff are social media marketers. Who needs a product when you can just meme your way to the top? Oh look, what a cool picture of a frog. I'll put in $50. This is nothing new. Sure, some penny stocks are actually legit and do turn into respectable companies, and some cryptos have done the same thing. But for every one successful penny stock, there's 50 that are pump and dumps or outright scams. Or as the kids call it, rug pulls. Even worse, for every one successful crypto, there's 500 that are a pump and dump. And success isn't based on your timing the buying and selling. A successful crypto is based on how long it can stay relevant with an actual usefulness instead of blind faith and overhype. Crap, down 80% today. Typical crypto day, am I right? What are your thoughts? You making rich with cryptos? Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's a video you may be interested in. Go ahead and watch it. Learn something new. And as always, take care of your money.